Hey, how you doing? I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. This is going to be a two-part video of me building a kitchen table. The first part is just the tabletop. The second part will be the base, painting it, and staining it. And remember, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get all my updates. I'm using 2x boards. The thickness of the boards will be solid enough for the tabletop, cutting everything down to the rough size that I need. Joining the boards will remove the beveled edge, and it gives me a straight edge to make the seams disappear. A lot better to work with. To give you a rough idea how it looks before and after it's jointed, the boards here have been jointed and the other ones have not. It gives it a much better look. Drawing the circle that I will need to cut out later. This serves two purposes. One is so I know where to add my biscuits, and the other is so I know what order the boards are in. Biscuits is a joining technique that will allow me to join all these boards together easier. They will help hold the boards in place during the glue up, also creating a stronger bond between the boards. Everyone will have their own preferred method of joinery. I've not had an issue with this type. In my opinion, it's easier and it holds up quite well. During the glue up, I decided to do it in two sections, then glue them up all together, just to make sure everything glues up well and the boards are aligned nice and neat. For me, it's just easier this way. Got it glued up into two sections. Now I'm putting it all together and let it sit overnight. Since I only have one plant big enough, I had to double them up. But if this method wouldn't have worked, then I would have done pocket hole joinery. Made a circle jig to fit my router. All it is a 1/4-inch piece of plywood that's attached by a nail to the center of the table, and the other side of the plywood is connected to the router. Measured half of the length of the table, so when you cut the circle, you get a full length all the way around. Every pass that I do, I'll lower the bit a little bit more just to make shallow passes. I use a little round over bit in my router to make the edges look good, and then I'll sand starting with 80 grit, then go up to 120, and then 220 to get a nice smooth finish. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, the second video will be about the base, staining, and painting. And if you like this one, please check out our page for other videos.